Hello everyone, it's Dennis here just with a quick video on using quotations and quotation marks in your essays and your assignments. And two things I'm just going to quickly look at is, first of all, using single quotation marks to highlight a piece of text that you have put into your essay, and secondly, what happens if there is an actual quotation already embedded in that text. So that's what we're going to look at here. So what you're going to see at the top here is my essay. I'm just going to highlight it here now for you. This is my essay. It is a very good essay filled with lots of nice things like references and bibliography, and reads like it should get a Nobel Prize. I think it needs more oomph though. Okay, and what I'm going to do in my essay is I'm going to put in a quotation, and this is the source down here. So imagine this highlighted text down here has been taken word for word, dot for dot from an article. Okay, and I'm going to put some of this into my text because I think it's relevant to my essay. I'm going to say I just want to put in those first couple of words. Sebastian shouted at Cameron. So I'm going to put that into my essay. So I'm going to copy it from my source and I'm going to paste it here into my essay. And when I paste it in, there it is, the exact words. Now to highlight that the quotation comes from somewhere else, I'm going to put single quotation marks, one before it and one after it. And then I'm going to put in the reference. Name, year, page number. Full stop. And that's how I quote from a text. Now, if you look at the source, perhaps I wanted to quote the entire source. You'll see, Sebastian shouted at Cameron, "You're doing it all wrong. He should know because he did everything wrong." So what we see is there's a quotation in the middle of it here which has single quotation marks. You are doing it all wrong. Direct speech quoted, direct quote. But I want to put all of this into my essay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it into my essay. There. And I'll just undo that bullet pointing. So you'll see Sebastian shouted at Cameron, "You're doing it all wrong. He should know because he did everything wrong." I've quoted everything from my source. So I still need to put my single quotation marks around it to highlight that it's a quotation. But I'm going to treat the quotation within the quotation slightly differently. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change those single quotation marks around "you are doing it all wrong" to double quotation marks to highlight that it's a quotation within a quotation. So this is everything I've taken from my source, but my source had a quotation within it, which I am graphically differentiating by putting double quotation marks around it. And I still need to put my source reference in at the end. Name of the author, surname only, year, colon, page number, close brackets, and that's it. And that's how you put quotation marks around a direct quote, and how you also treat a quote within a quote.